have in my hand in front of me a 6-inch inline extractor fan kit with timer and automatic shutters. Okay, and it's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. And the idea of this is that we have the fan completely hidden, most likely in an attic space. And what we're going to do is we're going to do extraction normally from a bathroom or possibly from a kitchen, something like that. Or indeed, you could set this up, and you'll see it actually set up in the diagram here. We could have a couple of feeds coming in, possibly, and then a single outlet point. So how does it come, and where's the manufacturer, thing like that? So the first thing to note, it comes in this outer box here, and it's Manrose is the manufacturer. They're the absolute premium brand in terms of extractors, etc., both in terms of reliability, and then if you're switching it in with something else or another piece of equipment, the thing with Manrose is it always works with everything else on the market. So that's just a good selling point on it. Okay, so we'll put the box out of the way here. So we'll just go through the main events here. So the first thing here is the actual extractor here. You can see the low noise fan that we have here. We have the automatic shutter on it here, and the idea of shutters is that once the unit is turned on, we have after a slight time delay, these shutters will open up, and it just means that during the runtime of it, you can blow out air, but what will happen then is when the fan is turned off, you won't have a backdraft coming in, so you're able to regulate and control it directly on it. So we'll just move through the various things here. So there's a timer setting that comes with this as well, so that's a good part of the kit. If we come along then, we have this, which is about a 6-inch or 150mm expandable ducting here. So the total length of this is about 5 meters. So what we would have there is basically we would run a certain length of this down to this fan, which would normally be mounted internally, we'll say in a kitchen or in a bathroom, something like that, could be in the ceiling. And what we would do then is we just do an extraction directly up into this, and we cut the length of duct sufficient to join the actual vent here over to the fan, and then we use the other length of the ducting here to run to an external vent, which will normally be mounted outside. You can see there in it, and it'll obviously go into, you just need to do a cutout sufficient for the 150mm. So we have a few things here to note. We have these large tie wraps, and they're obviously there just to tie and hold on the ducting exactly as we need it. Okay, so that just gives a good firm strong grip on it there. So a total of 4, so 2 in the center, 1 either ends. And what we have here then as well is we have just these clips for the actual mounting of it, and 2 screws then as well, and we can see how it mounted. When we need to take it apart or get in here, what we can do is we just take off the screws here, and we can just go directly into it like that. We also have these bag of screws and plugs, and we've used that for mounting the actual vents inside and out. And what you notice here is there's actually 2 parts to these vents, so you just put it off, you mount it on, and then you actually put the cover directly over it, so it has a nice aesthetic thing. I suppose the big advantage of a kit like this is it has everything you need, so it's a full thing on it. But sometimes there's add-ons you need. You might need a slightly longer length of duct. You can buy that directly from us. That's an added product on the website, and there's reasonably good instruction diagrams here. This one here is showing just in a bathroom, and this one here a single output, and this one here is showing a couple of different rooms together to a single extractor fan. Obviously you need a professional electrician for wiring it in, because it has to be hardwired in, but overall we'll say this is a very nice kit. The fact that it has the extra things like the shutter and the timer on it can be advantageous, because what you want then probably is in the bathroom thing is that you want the timer to kick in and run, we'll say, for 60 or seconds or 2 minutes longer than the actual when the light switch turns on and off. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 6-inch inline extractor fan kit with timer and automatic shutters, available directly from freetv.ie.